Morning students, we'll continue the remaining problems of approximations. Yesterday I completed 3 problems, 1 by 15 and the second has completed, third, okay, approximations. 4th question. Find the approximate change. Find the approximate change. Find the approximate change in the surface area. In the surface area. Oh, sorry, not change in the volume. Approximate change in the volume. Change in the volume V of a cube. V of a cube of side x meters. Of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 1%. By 1%. Okay. Right. Find the approximate change in the volume. Approximate change. Okay, approximate change we discussed, that is nothing but delta y. Suppose change in y, increment in y is nothing but delta y. A small change, small increment in x, delta x is in delta y in y, delta x in x. Okay. What is the approximate value? So delta x is equal to x. Y means a small change. Delta y is not equal to, differential of y not equal to y. That's why this is the approximate value. Consider as the approximate value. Okay, right. You want to find delta of v, that is nothing but dv. Delta v, but dv, differential of v. Find the approximate change in the volume v of a side x meters. Okay. What is given? Given side of the cube. Side of the cube is equal to x meters. Right. Increasing the side by 1%. Side to 1. Okay. Side 1%. How much? 1%. Increasing the side by 1% in the x, 1% of x. That is nothing but change in x. Some change, 1% of x. 1% of x means 1 by 100 of x. This is nothing but 0.01 x. 0.01 x. This is the meters with that also. Okay, meters become this one. X meters. Okay, right. Meters. Meter 0. X meters, and that is 1%. Now, find the approximate change in the volume of a cube. First of all, write volume of a cube. volume of the cube. V, what is volume of the cube? X cube. Side x means x cube. Side a means a cube, like that. Volume of the cube is equal to x cube. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. What is differentiate with respect to x? dv by dx is equal to 3x square. dv by dx is equal to 3x square. Now we want to approximate change. Change in volume delta v. So that is nothing but dy dv. Okay, so this is approximate change delta v, that is dv is equal to, what is that? dv is equal to, or delta v is equal to f dash x into delta x. Same like the previous problem. Delta y is equal to f dash x into delta x, like that. F dash x means differentiate of the given function dv by dx into delta x. dv by dx into delta x. Okay. This is equal to, what is dv by dx? 3x square delta x 0.01 x, multiply this one, 0.03 x cube. So change in volume, that is nothing but meter cube. Delta v is equal to 0.03 x cube meter cube. So that is the approximate change in the volume. First of all, given, find the approximate change in the volume means, first of all take what is the side. Side is equal to, let it be x meters, and next increasing the side. How much increasing in side size? Suppose side increase 1%. 1% of the given side. Given what? 1% of. Okay, 1% of. All right, 1% of given side. Right. Take given side of the cube, x meters, and increasing the side by 1% of x means, that is nothing but delta x. Delta x is equal to, so 1% in this one, x meters, in this one x meter, that implies 1% means 1 by 100 of x, 1 by 100 of x. Therefore 0.01 x. In x some change. Next write volume of the cube v is equal to x cube. Okay, right. Differentiate. We want to change in volume means, that's why differentiate with respect to x. dv by dx is equal to 3x square. Right. Approximate change delta v, that is nothing but dv, is equal to f dash x into delta x. F dash x into delta x. F dash x into delta x. F dash x means what? Here that is nothing but here above is here considered as a volume. Therefore dv by dx is into delta x. dv by dx is equal to 3x square into 0.01 x. So finally we can answer approximate change 0.03 x cube into meter. So one is topics and first problems, 15 problems. There we can apply delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x, means that is nothing but given square root means square root, cube root means cube root, and 10th root means 10th root x plus delta x minus f of x, that is nothing but root y, root x or anything. And next two problems, find approximate value of f of 2.01. That is that problem, so find f of x plus delta x. So this type of model like this. Right. 50%. Find the change in surface area. Change in surface area of a cube. Surface area of a cube of side x meters, of side x meters, caused by decreasing the side, decreasing the side by 1%. This also by 1%. Okay. Here, okay. Find the approximate change in surface area. Previous problem, change in volume of a cube. Here also surface area of the cube. Side x meters, caused by previous problem increasing. So positive value, decreasing, lesser. Okay. So inside suppose 10 centimeter, decrease some change. The decreasing is negative value. So that's why change means some change in x, change in side is negative of this one, means 1% of some x meters, 1% of x meters decrease. Then what is its surface area? Okay, right, take given side of the cube, is equal to x meters. Side of the cube is equal to x meters. Right. Decreasing the side by 1%. In which 1%? In the side, in the given side. Side is equal to x. That implies 1% of x. So decreasing means negative value. Okay, decreasing means it is negative value. Delta x is equal to minus of 1% of x. 1% of x. That is equal to minus of 1% means 1/100 of x. Means of means that is nothing but into. Therefore, minus 0.01x. Minus 0.01x. Right. Now, surface area. Surface area of the cube. Let it be S. S is equal to what is surface area? How many faces? 6 faces. Each face has a square. Square area is equal to x to x square. 6 faces means 6x square. 6x square. Right. Differentiate with respect to x. This one. ds by dx is equal to 12x. ds by dx is equal to 12x. We want approximate change in surface area. Change in surface area. So that is delta s is approximate value of nothing but dy. This is equal to ds. This is equal to ds by dx. F dash x into delta x. ds by dx into delta x. ds by dx delta x. This is equal to ds by dx 12x into this value delta x value minus of 0.01 x. Therefore 12 to multiply 0.01 multiply with 12. 12 ones 12, 12 zeros. 12 ones 12 means 1, 12 zeros, zeros means 1, 12 zeros, zeros. So that implies 0.1 to 0.1 to wait, okay, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, zeros, direct, or once 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, right, 2, 1, 0, after 2 decimal values, okay, right, 0.12 x square minus value minus 0.12 x square. So surface area that is nothing but meter square. Okay. First understand the question. Find the approximate change in surface area of a cube upside x meter. The given side of the cube what? X meters. Side of the cube is equal to x meters. Decreasing the side by 1%. That implies 1% of x. Decreasing means negative values. So increasing means positive. Already I explained this concept. Decreasing when decreasing that or increasing positive or negative. Okay, minus 1 by 100 of x, that implies minus 0.01 into x. Okay, surface area of the cube formula 6x square. Differentiate with respect to x, ds by dx is equal to 12x. Approximate change in surface area delta x is equal to nothing but approximate value of nothing but ds is equal to f dash x means ds by dx into delta x. So like this. So that is 0.02. 12 x square meter square, right. Next sixth question. If the radius of a sphere is measured as 7 meter with an error of 0.02 meter. Then find the approximate error. Then find the approximate error in calculating its volume. It's in calculating its volume, right. First of all, radius of the sphere R is equal to 7 meter with an error in radius means change, some change. Error in radius delta R, change in radius delta R 0.02 meter. Come on, then find the approximate error. So approximate error means approximate change. In calculating its value. Correct. Given, must write given data. Given radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere r is equal to 7 meter. Radius of the sphere r is equal to 7 meter. Okay. Error means change in error in radius. Delta r is equal to 0.02 meters. 0.02 meters. Find its approximate error in calculating its volume means write volume of the sphere V is equal to what is formula? Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate with respect to here r is a miss. Differentiate with respect to r dv by dr. This is equal to 4 by 3 pi constant 3 r square r divided to 1. Okay. So then 3 cancel. Therefore 4 pi r square is the dv by dr. dv by dr is equal to 4 pi r square. They ask approximate means approximate error. Approximate error in volume means nothing but delta v approximate error. Therefore dv is equal to dv by dr f dash r dv by dr into delta r that is equal to dv by dr. How much? 4 pi r square into delta r. Delta r is equal to 0.02. Okay, that implies 4 into pi into r value. What is r value? 7. 7 square. 7 into 7 into 0.02. 7 sevens. 49. 49 fours. Okay. Answer. Right direct pi can be written as 22 by 7. 7 into 7 into 0.02. 7 cancel. And 88. 88 into 7. Okay, 616. 56. 7 8 56. 56 plus 5 61. Okay, right. Okay. 616. 616 into 0.02. Therefore 0.02 into 616 multiply. 6 2s 12. 6 zeros, 1, 6 0 zeros, 1 2 2, 1 0 0, 1 0 0. Again 6 2s. Here 12, 6 0 0, 1, 6 0 0. So final this answer 3 2 1 0. 12.32. 12.32. 12.32. Volume approximate error means meter cube. 12.32 into meter cube. Okay. See in terms of suppose we'll see in terms of pi 49 fours, 4 nines 36, 4 4 16 plus 3 196. 196 into 196 into 0.02 26 12 2 nines 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 2 ones 2, 2 plus 1, 3, right? And 0, 6, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 9, 3, 0, 0. After how many decimal points? 0, 2, 2, 2. So this one 3.92, or like this also, right? Overall, this is one value. So from this direct 3.92 pi without calculating pi, 92 meter cube, 3.92 meter cube, like this also. Okay. So approximate, first of all, given radius of the sphere 7 meter, error in radius delta r is equal to 0.02 meter, volume of the sphere V is equal to, for the formulas important, very important for this chapter. Remember, for all in the first exercise, that is 5 marks question. For that also sphere, cone, triangle, means equilateral triangle, like rectangle, circle, so compulsory cylinder. Okay, so formulas very important, mensuration formulas. Volume of the sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next, differentiate with respect to dp by dr is equal to this one, 4 pi r square. Next, approximate error in volume delta r approximately equal to delta p. So db is equal to this one. So finally, this answer is equal to 3.92 pi meter cube, or else pi also calculated means 12.32 meter. Okay, next, 7th question. The radius of the sphere, if the radius of a sphere, radius of the sphere is measured as 9 meters, is measured as 9 meters with an error of 0.03 meter. Then find the approximate error in calculating its surface area. Calculating its surface area. Okay. The radius of the sphere is, okay, radius of sphere, here also sphere concept. What they ask? Surface area. Previous problem, volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r. Here is surface area. What is given, right? Given data. Radius of the sphere. R is equal to 9 meters. 9 meters. Next, with an error means delta R. 0.03 meter. Actually meaning error means either increasing means plus, decreasing means minus. It is some error 0.03 meter. Then find the approximate error. In surface area. Okay, right. Surface area. Surface area of sphere. Surface area of the sphere. S take. S is equal to what formula? Surface area of the sphere is S is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Okay. Differentiate with respect to r. This one. ds by dr. ds by dr is equal to 4 into pi constant, and is equal to 2 into r. 2 into r with respect to r means 2r, that only. So that is equal to 8 pi r. 8 pi r. Right. Approximate error. Approximate error in surface area. Delta S approximately equal to ds is equal to ds by dr of delta r. This is equal to ds by dr is 8 pi r into delta r, 0.03. Okay, approximate units. Right. 8 pi r value. 8 into pi into r value 9. Pi into 72 into 0.03. Calculate, multiply with the 236, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 7 threes, 21, 7 zeros, 0 plus 2, 7 zeros, that is equal to 6, 1, 2, 0. Okay, how many decimal points? So 2.16. 2.16. This is equal to 2.16 pi in meter square. This is surface area. So that is meter square. 2.16 pi meter square. So first of all given radius of the sphere, right? Next error in radius of delta r. Surface area. Surface area of the sphere S is equal to 4 pi r square. Next differential with respect to r. ds by dr is equal to 4 pi into 2 r, 8 pi r. Next approximate error, surface area delta S is approximately equal to ds. Therefore ds by dr into delta r calculation. Next, eighth question. If f of x is equal to 3x square plus 15x plus 5, then the approximate value of f of 3.02 is, okay, option A, multiple choice questions, 47.66, B 57.66, C 67.66, D 77.66. Okay, how to do this? Already explained this model in second problem. So first of all, f of x is equal to x square plus 15x plus 5. What is the, this is 3.02 means del x is equal to, let it be take x is equal to 3, delta x is equal to 0.02. We want x plus delta x is equal to delta y plus f of x. What is delta y? Means f dash x into delta x plus f of x. So like that, first of all, f of x value, next f dash x derivative, next delta x given already 0.02 multiply and find out this answer. Right. The approximate change in the volume approximate change in the volume of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 3% is, okay, option A 0.06 x cube meter cube, option B 0.6 x cube meter cube, C 0.09 x cube meter cube, 0.9 x cube meter cube. Okay, approximate change in volume of a cube. What is volume of a cube? B is equal to, here given x means, so that also B is equal to x cube, side x meters caused by increasing change in x, 3% off in this one. 3% off in this one means how can you write 3 by 100 into x, that is equal to delta x. Delta x is how much? Therefore 0.03x. So afterwards find caused by increasing the side. So find the approximate change in the volume. Change in the volume is delta B is equal to dV by dx into delta x. So substitute and find this. These are the multiple choice questions. So complete this exercise and look once example problems also before exercise. From this also one question from this approximations. Okay. What will learn from this topic? Using different application of derivatives, using differentiation. First, rate of change of some quantities using differentiation, and next by find intervals and the function is increasing or decreasing using differentiation, and find the intervals also. Next concept, find the equation of tangent and normals and slope of the tangent, slope of the normal by using differentiation. So in this this topic approximation, so using different how to find change in some quantity and find out the change in surface area, change in volume, like that. And next final concept, maxima and minimum concept. So already we discussed about turning points, using turning points. So suppose like this one, a curve is like this. What is the maximum value? Here, this is the maximum value at this point. Minimum value. So this is the minimum value at this point. Minimum value is minimum value of the function at this point. So maximum value, minimum value. Okay, about this topic we'll discuss. and in daily life also these are useful for getting maximum profit or maximum loss. For example, to grow off the some orange trees per acre, that equation is let it be h of x is equal to suppose some ax plus bx cube. A, b are the constant. This is the function the grow of the orange trees per some x be the number of orange trees. Number of orange trees. A, B are the constants. So here concept is how many trees will grow per acre will get maximum profit. Like that, this type of problems. This type of problems in our daily life tackled by using maximum minimum concept. And suppose 60 meters from building, a person stand and throw a ball. It's some horizontal distance. So that equation is nothing but g of x is equal to 60 plus 60 plus x by 60 sum x square. This is the equation. Let it be. X is the horizontal distance. How much height means maximum height. Maximum height the ball goes by using this concept from the maximum and minimum. Here x is the horizontal distance and a ball stands on 60 meter height when you throw a ball. So find out how much height. Okay. And next, suppose in a war is enemy is helicopter, that helicopter is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 10, suppose for example, and our soldier at the point 1 comma 2 he shoot the helicopter. When he shoot the helicopter means when the helicopter comes to nearest, what is the nearest point, then the target will reach. He observed. So like this type of problems in our daily life tackled very easy using this with using maximum and minimum concept. We observe the three examples. What we understand from these means maximum profit or maximum height and nearest minimum distance. At what minimum distance our soldier to shoot the helicopter of the enemy's helicopter. So these are the daily life application examples. So like this type of problems and general problems we will discuss in next class of maxima and